Do you know you can literally get paid just by listening to music? No experience needed, no hard labor needed, no talent needed, just your phone, your internet, and the right website. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who likes easy online side hustles that you can do on a day-to-day basis and get some change and get some money for yourself, then make sure to stick around, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to leave a comment of the one of bringing you guys TV legit sites that will pay you to listen to music. So let's get into it, starting with the first one, straight up. The first site that will pay you to listen to music that we're going to be talking about is RadioEarn. It's called RadioEarn. So I'm going to be showing you my screen of what it's required of you to start earning money on RadioEarn. So stick around. Let's go on this journey together. You can see when you come to radioearn.com, you're going to see earn alone or with your website with listening to radio. So when you come here, how does it work? You're going to sign up with a free account, with a free Gmail account or whatever account that you have at radioearn.com. The next step, after registration, you can log in and see your account. Next is start radio or use API. Start earning by clicking or open your radio links. You can also use our live API for your website if you wish that your user listens for you. Earn and pay every 15 minutes you get points, meaning every 15 minutes of you listening to RadioEarn you get points. The points will be converted at the following month to USD, meaning they will converted to dollars. The USD can be paid out via bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. So you can get paid through bank transfer, through Amazon, through Bitcoin wallet. So you don't have any issues if you, I believe most of us have bank accounts here, or maybe you have a cryptocurrency wallet somewhere. So your points are the ones that will be converted to dollars. So every 15 minutes you get points for listening. Like if you listen for like an hour will make, that's like, let's say for example they're paying $15 for 15 minutes and you listen for an hour, that's you making roughly more than close to $100 for an hour. So this is a very lucrative website for you to join. So this is the first website. I've shown you guys how it works and how to get paid. If you have any questions, you can come here. Is this service free? Yes, the membership is 100% free, no premium packages or something like that. When I can pay out, you earn points. These points will be always confirmed in the following month to USD. The USD you can every time pay out via bank transfer or Amazon gift cards and Bitcoins. Which countries are possible? You can use our service worldwide, meaning there's no barrier. Every continent that you're located, you can use RadioEarn. We support every country. What with other browsers, no problem. Any browser that you have that you're using, they don't have any issue. How long take a payment? You pay by net 30 via PayPal. So they can pay by PayPal, they can pay by bank transfer, they can pay by cryptocurrency. So you just have to come here and sign up and start earning money. The second website we'll be talking about is called SoundCamp. It's actually another very lucrative website that you can use to listen to music and get paid. And they have paid over like close to 2.4 million to users that have been using the site. So let's get into it. Let me show you guys the website and how you're going to be earning money. The second website is called SoundCamp. So this is how SoundCamp works. You come to soundcamps.com. When you come here, you can see get paid to listen to music on a Spotify playlist. Join our network and start earning today. Meaning you have to be a Spotify member to be able to join SoundCamp. So if you have a verified Spotify account, you can easily get paid with SoundCamp. So on a Spotify playlist, if you have a Spotify playlist, you come here and you join, you apply to become a member. They have over 1,000 plus curators, over 572K tracks submitted, and they have paid out over $2.4 million since they started. Get paid to listen to music and review music. So you're not only listening to the music, you can review the music and you get paid. And how much are you going to be getting? When you come down here, they say paid per review. Verified playlist curators can earn up to $14 per song review. So you can actually earn $14 just for reviewing a song. Instant payout anytime with direct deposits to your bank account. Support indie artists. Support emerging artists by sharing valuable feedback on your music. Discover new tracks by independent artists for your playlist. So SoundCam is actually one of the best listening sites for music that you can ever go on and listen to music and get paid. So this is just one of those boring side hustles that maybe you can be working at home, you can be bored, maybe during your lunch break, maybe during your free time. You just come on here. If you have a Spotify playlist, you just come on here, put your headphones, and you start listening to whatever music that you feel like listening to, and you get paid. So why not try it? Why not try it out? Let's get to the third website. Before we get to the third website, please make sure to leave your comments. If you tried it out and it worked for you, make sure to leave your comments. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, because I'm definitely gonna be impacting you guys with different contents. So make sure to leave your comments, subscribe, and like the video to show some support, guys. Thank you so much. Let's get into the third website. The third website I'm talking about today, it's called playlistpush.com. I think most people know about this website. It's almost the same thing like SoundCam, but it's more popular. Most people know about it. So playlistpush.com. When you come to playlistpush.com, you just make money from your playlist, become a curator from your Spotify playlist. So it's almost same thing as SoundCam. You have to have a Spotify playlist. So if you have a Spotify playlist, you come on playlistpush.com and you apply to get paid. Paid per review. Qualified playlist curators can earn up to $15 per song. Request a payout at any time, meaning you can get paid at any time of your convenience. We pay directly to your bank account. Help new and upcoming artists by providing feedback on your music. So it's almost the same thing as SoundCam, but the difference is with playlistpush.com, they pay you $15 for per song review, while on SoundCam they'll pay you $14 for every song review. So this is much better as compared to the previous one that we discussed. So if you do have a Spotify playlist, make sure to try out these sites. You just have to come on here and click on become a curator. When you click on it, you put in your details and you get accepted, and you start reviewing songs. You listen to the songs and give your reviews, and you get $15 for every song that you review. Is that not easy and very convenient? Because most times, some of us, we go on YouTube, you listen to different musics and you leave comments. It's the same thing, and you do it for free. You're doing that for free without anybody telling you to do that. Instead of you doing that for free, why not just come on here, do it, leave a review, and get paid $15? Don't you think that's actually very awesome and very, very... That will be the end of this video. I'm gonna be bringing more videos like this to you guys of different side hustles that you can do. Easy, lazy, boring side hustles that you can do. Yeah, we don't do anything that is very stressful. Easy side hustles that you can do that can give you money at home, wherever you are, without doing any hard labor, any stress, anything that will make you inconvenient. So please do out to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe, because definitely so much for sticking around. Thank you for your like, thank you for your comment, thank you for everything that you've been bringing on, your likes, your comment, your share, your whatever. Thank you, and kisses. So I love you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.